Hey, Tamara here, and today I want to tell you how you can save $120 for 1 week only on Builderall for the Funnel Club. So what exactly is Builderall and the Funnel Club, and how do I save the money? Right, I'm going to show you all of that in just a second. And like I said, if you're watching this after November 29th at midnight EST, that $120 savings is gone, I'm afraid. So you got to get in there quick. I mean, even without that savings, it is a bargain for sure. And I honestly don't think you're going to find a better deal for the amount of tools. 600 done for you, sales funnels. It's ridiculous. Plus, there's also $5,000 in bonuses from me. So I'm going to go through all of that. So let's jump inside and let me show you exactly what you're going to get. Okay. In case you didn't know what a sales funnel was, or a bridge funnel, this is kind of it basically. So you get traffic here, and you want to send them to your bridge or landing page so you can collect the lead's name or email. I just collect their email. And then you send them to either your offer or an affiliate sales page offer that you're promoting. Okay, the reason why this is super important is because once you've collected their emails, then they're automatically going to get out emails that you've set up using the email autoresponder. Okay, because most people don't usually buy the first time they see something. So these email follow-ups, I mean, you can have as many as you want here and send them out hourly, daily, weekly, whatever you want. It's totally up to you. But as soon as they sign in, they're going to basically get your first or your welcome email and then follow-ups. You know, you're going to give them information and reminders about the product you're promoting, stuff like that. Otherwise, you know, they might look at your sales page over here and then forget about it and might look it up a week later, but then they use someone else's. So with your email follow-ups, they'll have your affiliate links in there. So, you know, you have a much better chance of making a sale. So super, super important to at least have this very basic funnel. Okay, so let's just take a look at the Builderall Black Friday sale. So as I said, you could save $120 this week. It ends midnight, November 29th, EST time. Okay, so you're going to get unlimited access to over 40 digital marketing tools, plus 600 done for you sales funnels. And if you want to be an affiliate, you get instant approval, and you can make 100% commissions for your first sale, and then 30% monthly recurring on 2 tiers. Plus, of course, my bonus. So make sure you stay till the end of the video so you can see my bonuses. Okay, so once you did put your email in here, see, this is my bridge or landing page. Take here, then you're going to click here, and then you will be automatically brought over to this page. So yeah, the Builderall Black Friday sale. So here's your countdown. This is real, and this is not fake scarcity. Like, this is the only time you're going to be able to save $120. So these are just some of the things that you get with it. So some of our 40 plus digital marketing tools. So the website builder, which is super awesome. I've been with Builderall since 2017, and I actually became Canada's first certified partner with them in 2018. So trust me, if I didn't like them, I would not still be using them. And the beauty about Builderall is that they constantly improve and add and whatever, regardless of the price you join at, you will always be grandfathered in at that price. And you'll also always get any new tools or improvements that are added. So, which is really cool. So yeah, and this is like your actual funnel builder if you want to build your own. So like I said, you can have much more complicated ones than I showed you, like with downsells and upsells. And then basically you would just build it out like this. When you're happy with it, you hit publish and boom, your website's ready to go, or your sales funnel. We also have a website and Facebook Messenger chatbots. Webinar builder, which is really cool because you can do live webinars, you can do recorded webinars. You can also live stream to Facebook and YouTube from the webinar. Our e-learning course has just had a complete upgrade, and now it looks like Netflix. It's really, really cool. Directory builder and WordPress. So if you are a diehard WordPress fan, we've got you covered. And not only will you be able to get to use the Cheetah builder inside WordPress, so no need for Elementor or any of those other WordPress builders. You can actually use the Cheetah for your WordPress. And not only that, you get your own dedicated server. So your own private server, which is crazy because you look it up, how much those cost. It's anywhere from $100 to $300 a month to have your own server. You're going to get that included. These are some more tools. Also, you're getting an unlimited email autoresponder as well, which is crazy. There's also design and video, plus we have video hosting. I mean, you name it, we have it basically. So what I would recommend is that you get this one because it's the same price, but you get that WordPress server. Otherwise, you have to pay $15 extra a month to have your own dedicated server if you're an existing Builderall client, or I think the minimum is $19.90 a month for WordPress, but you don't get all the tools. So you get one domain, 3 subdomains, and 2,000 subscribers, unlimited disk space. So this one, you're going to get 15 domains, unlimited subdomains, unlimited email subscribers, 10 GB disk space, all the tools, templates, and funnels, and automatic approval as an affiliate. So there's your cloud server. Now that's crazy because usually you have to pay $199 for your first month and then $79.90. This is also going up on January 1st, these prices. So right now, instead of paying that first month, $199, you're just going to pay $79.90. So that's where you're saving the $120. Like, seriously, it's a no-brainer. I mean, if you don't like it, we have a 30-day money, no questions asked money back policy, just in case. But I think you're going to love it. So that's why I definitely get this one, because you're going to actually save an extra $15 a month as well. So it's more than $120. Let me show you inside some funnels. So this is my Builderall dashboard. It's my affiliate ranking. So, and that's out of thousands and thousands. So it's not too bad. Okay, so you're going to come, to get to here, you're basically going to come to affiliates or to the funnel club here. But I just always come through affiliates. So here is club. So there's lots of Builderall, on the affiliate side of things, lots of Builderall funnels done for you. And these are the lead capture funnels. So why these are so cool is because they include a lead magnet. So it's an ebook, right? So say for Stop Smoking, someone, can put in their email and then they'll be able to download this done for you lead magnet or free ebook, which is very cool. So they have that for, I believe, most of these in the lead capture funnels. So like I said, there is lots and lots and lots. And there's also new ones being added every month, I believe. And if there's a certain niche that you want to promote that we don't have, just contact support or at the top support ticket and request it, and they'll do it. It might take a month or two, but they'll do it, which is really cool. So niche funnels. So say that you just literally wanted to promote to one niche or one niche at a time even. Then you can choose one of the niche funnels and just like or real estate. I mean, there is a lot of them. Tutor, mechanic. So for example, say that you were, or let's go boot camp because, New Year's resolutions coming up. So you went to all these gyms or personal trainers and you just literally sent them to this page. Okay, so look at, this is calling directly to them. So this is why it's niche. You're going for gym owners. And you say, well, what do you think? You could have all of this as your website. And as a little bonus, what you could do is say, oh, and for an extra price, I can edit this for you with your own details in it. And you charge them, a couple $100 to do that, as well as you got them under you as an affiliate. So you're going to make 100% on your first month and then 30% monthly recurring. So there you go. Pretty cool, right? So as I said, we have lots of different niches. And then we also have for agency info products, physical products, chatbot funnels. And this is your funnel builder. Also viral funnels and sales page funnels. Like I said, there's over 600, so we'd be here all day if I showed you all of them. So these are what we call the viral funnels because they have to share them on their social media to get access to whatever you're giving them away. So that's pretty cool. And like I said, and then if you want to get to your apps, I mean, we also like there's just so many. The magazine builder is pretty cool because it's an online digital magazine. So that's kind of the Funnel Club in a nutshell. And like I said, you'll also get access to the WordPress if you get this one here. If you don't want WordPress, just get that one. Same price. And now for my bonuses. Okay, so when you join and become a paid Builderall member, you'll get a link to this bonus page in my email follow-ups. So these are for everyone. Just joining my email, you'll be able to download those. This is all my traffic resources that I use. And then once you become a paid member, you're going to get all of these bonuses, including a free vacation to 16 destinations. And like all the social media, you can also get a discount on solo ads. So there you go. And not only that, but I will also, once I see you in my Builderall dashboard that you've signed up, I'm going to send you a copy of this bonus page. This is like what I call the free bonus page because none of the premium links are working. And then will be a copy of the premium page where all the links will be working. So again, you send the free version of the bonus page to people just on your email list, and then you send the paid version to people who actually pay for Builderall. So that's what I'm saying. You're going to get all of this and save $120 if you join before midnight, November 29th, to the Builderall Black Friday special. So that's what I'm saying. The link below, you're going to come to this page. Okay, so I think that's a wrap for this video. And if you have any questions, please just drop your comment below. And of course, I'd love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel because I've got lots of new exciting stuff coming up very, very soon. Okay, well, I hope to see you on the inside. And like I said, save yourself $120. Okay, take care. Thanks for watching.